Here are 13 essential facts about thermodynamics. 1. The first law of thermodynamics, conservation of energy. The first law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. This principle is often summarized as, the total energy of an isolated system is constant. 2. The second law of thermodynamics, entropy. The second law states that in any natural thermodynamic process, the total entropy of a closed system will always increase over time. Entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness in a system. 3. The third law of thermodynamics. The third law states that as the temperature of a system approaches absolute zero, 0 Kelvin, the entropy of the system approaches a minimum value. It's impossible to reach absolute zero in a finite number of steps. 4. The zeroth law of thermodynamics. The zeroth law establishes the concept of temperature by stating that if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. 5. Heat and work. Thermodynamics distinguishes between heat, energy transfer due to temperature difference, and work, energy transfer due to force applied over a distance. Both are ways of transferring energy between systems. 6. Internal energy. The internal energy of a system is the total energy contained within it, including kinetic and potential energies of the molecules. It changes as a result of heat transfer and work done on or by the system. 7. Heat engines. A heat engine is a device that converts heat into work. It operates by transferring energy from a hot reservoir to a cold reservoir, doing work in the process. The efficiency of a heat engine is always less than 100% due to the second law of thermodynamics. 8. Carnot cycle. The Carnot cycle is a theoretical model that defines the maximum possible efficiency a heat engine can achieve, depending on the temperatures of the hot and cold reservoirs. No real engine can be more efficient than a Carnot engine. 9. Entropy and the arrow of time. Entropy is often associated with the arrow of time, meaning that the increase in entropy gives a direction to time, distinguishing the past from the future. 10. Reversible and irreversible processes. A reversible process is an idealized thermodynamic process that can be reversed without leaving any change in either the system or its surroundings. Most natural processes are irreversible, meaning they increase the total entropy of the universe. 11. Specific heat capacity. The specific heat capacity is the amount of heat required to change the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. It is a measure of how much energy a substance can absorb as it heats up. 12. Phase transitions. Thermodynamics explains phase transitions, such as melting, boiling, and condensation, which occur when a substance changes from one state of matter, solid, liquid, gas, to another, involving latent heat. 13. Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy is a thermodynamic potential that measures the maximum amount of work that can be extracted from a system at constant temperature and pressure. A negative change in Gibbs free energy indicates a spontaneous process. These facts cover the fundamental principles and concepts of thermodynamics, providing a foundation for understanding how energy, heat, and work interact in physical systems. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.